Here we go. So I got this as well as this. It's kind of messy because I've been using it a lot and it's been working pretty good. My only problem is with this thing trying to, yeah, you see that? As soon as you connect them together, it would just go off. Or I'm not putting it on correctly. I'm gonna have to check out the instructions again, which is really good. All right, so this part can also be a little bit of a trouble, but you see, I'm trying to remove it, but it's not coming off, and that's really good. All right, so, yeah, and then you have the plug. Do not tear this piece off. I know it might be a little bit off, you know, in your way and stuff. You could just slide it down and use this part. Right, so you have a test option here. You have a test option here, and you have this one for when you're ready to start using it. No, reset, I should say. Oh, yeah.
Holy crap. Did you see that, guys? This thing is in